Hi everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank CA Ravi Agarwal sir for giving me this opportunity to speak and put forward my opinion on the CA exams that are to be conducted in the month of November 2020. To introduce myself, I am also a CA final student who is going to write her exams in the month of November. And as for me, I do not feel it is safe to conduct the exams right now, considering the hostile environment and the pandemic. The fact that there will be a lot of lives at risk if the exams are conducted, because not only will it pose a threat to the student, but it will also pose a threat to the entire family that the students live with. And for example, I myself stay with my grandmom, who is 80 years old, and my dad's a heart patient. So, and my brother's only 11 years old. So, if anything were to happen to them because of me getting infected, it would be very difficult for me to, deal with the mental trauma that I would face and my family would face. So I genuinely want to request to ICI to consider this and postpone the exams to a further date where the cases are trending, have a downward trend. uh, humanity is really important to be considered right now, because as such everybody is in a very difficult position, both mentally and physically. So it's really important for us to consider these situations and take appropriate decisions at the right time so as to save millions of lives that are connected to different people and students. Conducting an 18-day exam would not be feasible right now. I mean, it is not safe. uh, so yeah, I genuinely wish and hope that ICI considers this and takes the necessary steps to consider to to conduct the exams in the most safe environments for the student, and who are their stakeholders at the end of the day. So thank you so much.